In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning transparent text effects. We'll build this look in CapCut, and by the end, you'll have clean, see-through typography that reveals your image in a really polished way. This works great for posters, thumbnails, and intros, and the process is simple once you know the layer order and one key blend setting. First, open CapCut and start a new project so you're working on a clean timeline. Bring in the image you want to feature and drag it onto the timeline. Choose a high-resolution photo with good contrast. Textures like cityscapes, landscapes, or bold patterns tend to make the transparency read beautifully. If needed, trim the clip or set the duration to match your intended output. Duplicate that image on the timeline. You'll use one as the base and one as an element you can cut and blend. On the duplicate, remove the background using CapCut's background removal tool. This isolates your subject and helps the text feel embedded in the scene instead of floating on top. Now add your text. Type your headline or word and position it where you want the reveal to happen. Edit the text to get the look right. Pick a bold, legible font, increase the size, and adjust spacing so the letters have room to breathe. Center or align it with your subject for balance. Dark text on lighter areas or light text on darker areas can help the effect stand out. Copy the text layer so you have a second version ready to combine, then add your image again to the timeline. Keep this new image layer aligned with the original so everything matches perfectly. Select that newly added image and the text you just copied together, then right-click to bundle them. Choose Create Compound Clip. This groups the text with the image into one controllable layer, which is essential for the blend trick to work consistently. Move this compound clip to the top of your stack. Make sure its start point and duration line up with the layers below for a seamless result. With the compound clip selected, go to the blend options and choose Brighten. You'll see the transparent text effect snap into place as the brighter portions of the compound interact with the layers beneath. If you want a stronger reveal, slightly adjust the text size or placement so more of the photo shows through. If it feels too intense, reduce the contrast within your text styling. Give it a quick preview, fine-tune alignment and spacing, and you're done. That's the transparent text effect, clean and professional, ready to use in your next project.